Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the exact SSID and password and ensuring the network is 4 GHz, because the MG3050 cannot use 5 GHz. Once powered, place the printer close to the router so signal strength is strong. This reduces failures while pairing. Now decide if you'll use WPS push button for the fastest path or manual setup through the printer control panel and a USB link. Begin with WPS if your router supports it. Otherwise, prepare a Windows or Mac computer and a USB cable for setup. If you chose WPS, press the router's WPS button, then press and hold the MG3050 Wi-Fi button until the blue lamp flashes. The printer and router will negotiate and pair automatically. Wait until the lamp becomes steady. If you're doing manual setup, run the Canon setup utility on your computer, choose wireless setup, select your SSID and enter the password. The software guides driver installation. When prompted, temporarily connect USB to transfer network settings if direct wireless detection fails. Then remove USB after confirmation. Once connected, print a network configuration page from the printer to confirm it has an IP address. This verifies successful association and lets you note the address for admin tasks. Then install Canon drivers on each device, add the network printer by IP or auto-discover, and set it as default if desired. If the connection fails, power cycle router and printer, retry WPS or the manual utility, and temporarily disable firewall on the setup computer. This often resolves block discovery and lets the MG3050 join the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.